Hello everyone, I am Tarun valireddy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are at day 6 of 100 days of cloud by KodeKloud. In the day 6 task, we are going to create an EC2 instance with some specifications given as per the task. As usual, I am logging in using console URL. Provide the username and the password. If you see what was the task was, we need to create an instance with the name of Xfusion EC2 and the AMI should be Amazon Linux and the instance type should be T2 micro and we need to create a key pair of RSA type, and we can also choose the security group by default already provided in that. So search EC2, click on EC2. Now try to copy the name of the instance. Click on launch instance. Instead of using Amazon CLI, I'm using AWS console for better understanding of what we are going to actually doing in this task. Paste the name and choose the AMI of Amazon Linux, and the type should be T2 micro. So make sure to select that T2 micro. And create the key pair of RSA type. So click on create new key pair and the name should be Xfusion KP. Copy and paste the key pair. Now click on create key pair. We don't need to select the security group, as it's said here that is the default security group by default, so we don't need to change anything here, or we can choose select existing security group and click on default, and we don't need to configure any storage, so leave it as is and click on launch instance. You can see the instance was in the running state. Now click on the instance ID to get more details about the instance, and we are able to see that the type of the EC2 instance is T2 micro, and the name and the RSA type of key pair Xfusion key pair, and we need to check the tag, and that was able to see here. You can see the name of the instance was Xfusion EC2 instance. Now let's try to check the solution. We can see we are successfully completed this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.